Guys, and welcome to Subway Surfers. This game is pretty cool, I guess. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's get this. Whoa, okay. Okay, let's... Whoa. I've never been up here before. Okay, oh come on, I missed it. Okay, this game, as you notice, this game's a little bit laggy because my phone's a little bit laggy. So it's not the best quality. Dang it. Let's play again. See if we can get any better. Okay. Yes, boy. Okay, let's get this. Whoop. Nope. That wasn't it. Okay. I'm gonna try this. Make it work, right? No, yes, I made it. What? It glitched. What? That's mean. Let's play again. See if we can get it. Okay, got that part down. I turned off my sound because this thing really sucks with sound. And whenever, for some reason, when the sound's on, it lags really bad too. So, turned off the sound. It'd also probably be copyright too. Jin. Okay. Oh my god. Oh man, I missed that. I did it because I didn't know where it was going, so I just did that. But let's go this way, up above this guy, and up here, jump over this, get the end, got another end. Okay, let's try this again. Well, not really try it again, I mean just like do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Boom, 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 boom. Oh man, oh that sucked. It really did suck. That was just horrible. New high school anyways. Okay. Let's play one more time and I might actually end the episode. I'm not really good at this game as far as you can see. Also, that lag, boy, that lag. And I'll go ahead and end the video here, guys, but I'll probably be doing a vlog sometime soon, but I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.